Hey, hey, don't mind me. That's good. I'm just eating today's lunch. I think it's 6:10. I've made lunches already, packed them up, put them away, and now I'm gonna tell you why I made this lunch. When I came home yesterday evening, they were supposed to be having I think I was gonna do like hamburger sliders or something today for lunch. And then I went to go pick up one of my children from their friend's house. And then when I got home, I arrived home late, and everybody was hungry, and everybody's like, when's dinner gonna be ready? And all this really rude behavior. And I walked into the kitchen, and nobody had taken out the things that I had asked them to take out. Nobody wanted to help make dinner, but everybody was grumpy that dinner wasn't made. And so my husband did come into the kitchen and apologize for not taking out what he was supposed to take out. But by that time, I was pissed off. Not just at him, at everybody in the universe. And I started slamming everything down and making the hamburgers that were going to be used for today lunches. But unfortunately, because I was in such a bad mood, I burnt said hamburgers. And so there was only enough for dinner last night and not enough for here. But that's not even the reason why I made what I made. The other reason was when I was making the fries, which my mother-in-law brought us over this like huge bag of like steak fries, and they really aren't the greatest tasting when you cook them in the oven. So I thought I was going to do them on the skillet, which would have been better anyway, because at the time I was cooking in the air fryer, and I thought I could just do those both simultaneously, and then I could passive-aggressively get their dinner done quickly. Anyway, so as the grease was splattering all over the place and I was angry and slamming things, I just kept adding more fries because I was pissed off, and the grease would splatter, and it was very satisfying. So then I made a giganto thing of French fries, those steak fries, and there was no way my family could eat all of that. That's why we're having a Spanish tortilla today, because I threw a fit yesterday. A fit that was justified, I might say. That I might also say, as I was throwing my fit and cooking my millions of fries, I'm not quite sure anybody even noticed that I was throwing a fit. I mean, every now and then somebody would come into the kitchen and they were kind of extra nice to me, but I don't know if it's because they didn't want fry grease on them or just because they are nice people who lost their minds because they were hangry. I'm not sure. But anyway, for your viewing pleasure, here is this morning's making of today's lunch, Spanish tortilla. Okay, in a non-stick skillet, add your onion and cook for 3 to 5 minutes and let them get translucent. And then I've added my day-old French fries, some more olive oil, and some salt. And then I let it cook until it gets nice and warm through and kind of crispy. And then I'm going to add my scrambled eggs. This is probably about 10 to 12 eggs that I'm going to add. You can add fresh eggs, or I happen to have this carton of already scrambled eggs, so that's what I'm going to use. I'm cooking this like on a medium-high heat, and make sure that the eggs are spread out really good. Set my broiler on so that it's ready when I get ready to put this in there. So I'm waiting for this to set throughout. I'm pulling it away from the sides just to make sure that it's good and starting to set anyway. Stick it in my oven under broil, and you want to watch it.
Make sure before you pull it out that it's set completely and it's golden brown. And so now really that's it, it's done. Now I'm gonna make my side dish of canned green beans, some fresh tomatoes, some more onion, a little bit of salt to season it, and some olive oil. My kids love canned green beans, so it's something easy I can send in the lunches. And then in addition to that, I'm gonna add this grapefruit. Segmented, you can find it in the produce section, usually where all of the, in my grocery store, it's where the kombucha and the already cut carrots and salad and things are. And then serve it with some praline cookies on the side. So I hope you enjoyed this. I'll see you in the next video.